Three-point lighting, or triangle lighting, is set up in 3 parts. Using different lights I could find around my apartment and a small statue as a subject, I have created an approximation of how three-point lighting setup should be. We'll start with the key light. The key light should be set up above and to the side of the camera. This light is the brightest and usually made by a spotlight. I used a multifocal flashlight as my key light. The key light is usually directed right at the subject to reveal the shape and texture of surfaces and create harsher shadows and outlines. Next is the fill light. The fill light is often made by a floodlight and is placed on the opposite side of the camera from the key light. I used a simple desk lamp as my fill light with a yellow gel over it to soften the harsh light, as the fill light should be half to a quarter strength of the key light. The fill light should reduce shadows made by the key light but not remove them completely. The fill light is also used to reduce lighting contrast. Finally is the backlight. The backlight is placed behind the subject and is angled down towards them. This gives some separation between the subject and the background. The backlight is also used to emphasize the shape of the subject. The key light and the backlight are usually the same color. However, the backlight may need to be reduced in color or brightness if the subject has lighter colors on them. I chose to use another desk lamp, this time without a gel on it. Since the subject was wearing mainly whites and oranges, I believe that the slightly tungsten color of the light helped promote that rather than the harsher whites of the key light. As can be seen, this rough setup is a good approximation of how a three-point lighting system should be set up and how well it works, even on a rough scale.